Hello, welcome back to Auntie Dake's kitchen. So today we're going to be cooking one pot beans and corn. Okay, so what I'll normally do is I like to parboil my beans just to get rid of all the chemicals that they've used in preserving it. Look at how dirty that water is. Even though I rinsed it before parboiling it, look at how dirty that water is still. So what I do is I normally rinse it again, okay, and again until the water is clear and clean. And I would like to know in the comment section below, how do you clean your beans before cooking it? I would like to learn from you as well how you do yours. This is the way I do mine. Having completed this process, then I add a fresh boiling water into the beans, and the reason for doing this is you can also add cold water, okay, and place back on the cooker, but by adding the boiled water or boiling water, it makes the process quicker than using cold water. So I'm just gonna slice in some onions there, some seasoning and salt, okay. And just leave it to boil for a while. Moving on, we're gonna add our chili peppers. I have that grounded already. If you want to use fresh scotch bonnet, please do you by all means, okay. So we're just gonna give the chili peppers some time as well to cook properly into the beans. Now while that is cooking, we're just gonna move on with our sweet corn. Now if you're using a canned or processed corn, please by all means ensure that you wash the can properly. The reason for this is there was a time that a guy got poisoned from rats remains, okay, from a warehouse, and he just opened the can of drink. He opened, and that resulted in him ending up in the hospital, and it was in a really bad state. So whatever you do, please ensure that you rinse the can of whatever you're having properly, be it drink, be it tin tomatoes, be it whatever that is canned. Just ensure that it's rinsed properly. All right, moving on, rinse out the water, drain it out again, and pour that in our beans, okay, and leave both of them to, you know, get on with each other properly. At this point, it's looking just like what I wanted, and it's time to add our palm oil. Okay, so we just leave that as well to cook for a while. You have to let it actually cook properly, the palm oil, otherwise you're gonna get this taste in your mouth that it feels like the palm oil isn't cooked properly, or it will be greasy on your tongue, you know, and that feeling just never nice. So I would advise that you let your palm oil get cooked properly in the beans. All right, and just leave it for a good while. I left it for a really long time because I don't just like that greasy feeling on your tongue, and it's just not pleasant. I don't like it. So moving on, we're just gonna leave that to simmer for a while. And that is our beans cooked, and it is ready to go. And of course, a massive thank you to you for watching as always. Hope to see you soon. Bye.